Welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor, and Zoe and I just took a date to an amazing Italian restaurant. I had a meal there that I can't stop thinking about, so today I'm going to take my shot at making a baked spaghetti. Let's dive in. Take out a pot of water and bring it to a boil. Add in your noodles and cook them per package instructions. I recommend using a thinner style noodle like angel hair for this recipe. Drain out the water and add in some ricotta cheese and a ball of fresh mozzarella to the pot. We'll also spice this up with some basil, salt, and pepper. This combo of cheeses make it bind together so it's similar to a lasagna. Mix it all together so everything is evenly coated. Get out a bread pan or similarly shaped dish and spray it down with some nonstick spray. Add the noodle and cheese mix to the dish and really pack it down. Bake it at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. This is looking great, so let's slice out a piece, cover it in some marinara sauce, and plate this dish. This looks absolutely wonderful. Stick it, there we go. This is all the fun of eating spaghetti, but in this delicious cheesy brick of wonderfulness. It is so good. Well, that is going to do it for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. Let me know what are some of your favorite recipes in the comments down below. Like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time on Saucy Cat.
Could you do it?
Yeah,
You could handle it?
I could handle it this time. All by myself.
All by yourself, little man.
All by myself.
Put on the big boy pants.